Let's go ahead and start with this. You've heard about a brick house. Well, check this out. It's an old battery house. This thing is made out of old batteries that they, I guess, recycled is what you could call it. The house is in a little bit of disrepair, but here is a look at the proof here. Pretty cool stuff, and it's in Texas. We get all kinds of interesting shots, and at this time of year when we don't have a whole lot of storms on the way, cool to show. Pics at krqe.com. We'd love to see your pictures, whatever they are. 66 degrees in the Albuquerque area right now. Winds out of the south at 6 miles an hour. Looking at the temperatures at this point, nice out there, no question. Off to the north, mainly in the 50s, 60s in central sections, and down to the south, we're in the 60s and some low to mid 70s. Wind's not a huge factor. It was a little breezy later on this afternoon in areas like the Northwest Plateau, but things have quieted down significantly. 12 miles an hour in Durango, 10 in Farmington, 6 in Silver City. Well, there's not a whole lot going on out there, as you can tell. High pressure dominating our weather. A little bit of cloud cover in northeast Colorado. Got to go a long way to find it at this point. And across most of New Mexico over the next 24 hours, not much going to happen for us, although I do think we're going to get a little bit of cloud cover as a possibility in areas of northeastern New Mexico tomorrow morning. Won't be a big deal. Shouldn't stick around long. Slightly cooler air trying to work its way in across the east here over the next 24 hours. Knocking down temperatures maybe 5 to 10 degrees, not a real big deal, but keeping mainly clear skies out there tonight and into tomorrow. Mild conditions across the area for us with temperatures remaining well into the 60s here in the Albuquerque area. And we could touch 70 degrees by around Thursday, so it's very, very close out there. We got to about 69 today, so 70 is not going to be much of a jump. The main weather feature over the next couple of days will be a series of cold fronts here. Now, sometimes these can be pretty big weather makers for us, but not in this case. 5 to 10 degrees cooler across the northeast with this one pushing through tonight. And then midweek, we have another one that will push the eastern side of the state, at least push that envelope of cold air in just a little bit anyway, but very little cooling across the board here. A few more clouds will be possible with this, but not a real big deal. And we're hoping for the possibility of a storm over the weekend, but that is not looking all that promising either at this point. Models are flip-flopping and at odds a little bit, but it's kind of trending in a bad direction for us. So more than anything else, I'd look for this nice weather to continue for us, which is great fall weather. It's just that we are way behind on precip across the state here, and we could use just a little bit more rain and snow. 60s and 70s across the northwest for tomorrow. Across the northeast, temperatures for the most part 50s in the mountains, 70s Santa Rosa, Tucumcari. Back to the southwest, mainly 70s, 74 Lordsburg, 75 Deming, and 73 in TRC. And across the southeast, 60s around Cloudcroft, otherwise well into the 70s. Comfortable 76 in Roswell, 70 in Carrizozo. East Mountains, 20s tonight, 60s tomorrow. And then here in the metro area, plenty of sunshine, about perfect temperature-wise. 69 downtown, 65 Placitas, Santa Fe, 64 degrees. Plenty of sunshine through the 7-day, as you can see. Sunday into Monday, we can start seeing a few more clouds. That's when that storm could be a factor, but right now it's not looking like it's going to be a real big deal, unfortunately. And as you check out the 7-day forecast for the metro, temperature right around 69, lots of sun.
All right, thank you, Mark.